Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Business. Today we will study about the history of trade and commerce in India, which is part of Nature and Purpose of Business Unit 1, Foundation of Business, Class 11th. This unit consists of 18 marks as per CBSE syllabus. Before getting into the topic, we need to understand certain terms. Trade. The buying or selling of goods and services between people or countries is termed as trade. Commerce. Commerce is an important term for you as you have opted for this stream in your class 11th. It means all those activities which are necessary for sale, transfer, or exchange of goods and services. Indigenous banking system. The term indigenous means original or primitive. It states that what was the position of the Indian banking system in the ancient times. Initially, there existed a system known as barter system, in which one commodity was exchanged for the another. It is also known as commodity to commodity economy. Thereafter, a system of metallic money was introduced, in which gold, silver, and other precious metals were used as a system of exchange. After that, what was introduced is the modern form of money in the form of paper currency and notes, coins, etc. One of the systems of saving money through documents was hundi or chitti, which is the modern form of fixed deposits. Hundi is an unconditional order in writing made by a person directing another person to pay a certain sum of money to a person named in the order. Economic activities undertaken by ancient people. In ancient times, most of the people were dependent upon agriculture. That is why India was an agricultural based economy due to favorable climatic conditions. Also, workshops known as karkhana were prominent where skilled artisans worked and converted raw materials into finished goods, which were in high demand. Rise of intermediaries. Intermediaries played an important role in the promotion of trade. The Jagat Seth, which were the rich business, banking, and moneylender families, also developed and exercised great influence during the Mughal period. After that, commercial banks and industrial banks took over the charge in order to finance trade and commerce, and agricultural banks to provide both short term and long term loans to agriculturists. Transport or transportation refers to the physical movement of goods from the place of production to the place of consumption. The ancient times noticed the movement of transport through roads and maritime trade. Maritime trade is a kind of trade which involves the transport of goods through the use of sea using ships. Trading communities. In different parts of the country, different communities dominated the trade. Punjabi and Multani merchants handled business in the northern region. In western India, these groups were called Mahajan, and Chhat were important traders from the south. Merchant corporations. The merchant community derived power from federations, which were autonomous corporations formed to protect the interest of the traders. Major trade centers. Some of the important major trade centers were Patliputra, now known as Patna, Peshawar, Taxila, Indraprastha, Mathura, Varanasi, Surat, etc. Some of the major items of exports were spices, wheat, sugar, opium, cotton, etc. Items of import included animal products, Chinese silk, wine, gold, silver, tin, copper, etc. Position of Indian subcontinent in world economy. The pre-colonial period in Indian history was an age of prosperity for the Indian economy. However, the increasing control of East India Company resulted in various adverse effects on the Indian economy. After independence, the process of rebuilding the economy started and India went for centralized planning. For more videos, please follow